Alright, what's going on YouTube? I'm going to do a real quick video on some headlight wiring. So this goes for the 2020 to 2023 Te300i's. So I suck at riding dirt bikes and I busted out my headlight. Fortunately, I can't just buy this lens. So went out and bought this new headlight assembly. Great. So I got to plug it in and turn the bike on, turn the headlight on. It doesn't work, right? So it comes with these handy dandy instructions. Gives you the full rundown on basically how to reinstall it. Super easy, right? But here you go, warm tip, whatever the hell that's supposed to mean. It says, if our plug pins don't match the originals, please use transfer wiring provided to adjust the pin position. Well, here's their transfer wiring that they're talking about. I need that. So I just repinned this connector. I don't remember the exact position that these wires were in, but this was pinned for 4. This bike comes pinned for 3. This is a US model, so as you can see, that pin slot right there is empty. Right, so I'm looking at my wiring diagram. So for all US models, components, E75 is headlight. This shows for, let's see, where's 75? E75, it shows blue and green. Now if we look on the dongle here, we have brown, white, and white. Okay, well, that's off the harness, but if we look at the actual headlight itself, we have green and blue here. And then there's a white wire as well, but the common denominator, how I was able to figure out which one is actually ground, is these 2 browns going. So if there's only 3 pins, so obviously this white wire probably doesn't really go to anything. It probably goes to that dead pin. So we have brown and brown. So that's our ground right there, because brown goes to one side here, and brown also goes to this one here. So I re-swapped these pins around, so we have black here, and then we have, according to this, brown is high beam, and then green is low beam, and then what I'm going to do is white is our running light, which wasn't working before, but I'm going to solder these 2 together and then heat shrink them off of the low beam to get our running light to work. So if you guys install one of these $60 eBay headlights, that's how I'm wiring mine to get working. I just had repinned this and checked it, and it is working. And I'm going to wire in this white wire into our low beam to try to get the running light to work. Thanks, guys.